required. There are quite a number of tools that can be used to carry out support and maintenance. Each of these tools has a specific function. We use them for a specific task, and we use them for the appropriate area where it is needed, just like any other person who is within the repair and maintenance section. He has a toolbox. The same way a computer technician requires a toolbox that contains tools and equipment that can be used to carry out support and maintenance during the period of this particular task. And therefore, we have components like the screwdrivers, we have the tweezers, the diagnostic softwares, multimeters, and so on. We use the screwdrivers to tighten or loosen the screws. The major components of the computer, they are held tightly within the computer motherboard and the system unit through the screws. So we use the screwdriver for that particular purpose. We have the tweezers. These ones are used to pick small parts that may drop in inaccessible parts of the computer, like within the system case. Instead of forcing your hand to get to that component, this is a screw that has fallen there. You use the tweezer to pick it without damaging other components. We have the diagnostic softwares. These are working softwares that you can use to troubleshoot other softwares. It's an important aspect within the toolbox, because you are able to know why this other software is not working. You are able to troubleshoot softwares within the system unit. We also have the multimeter. This one is for testing voltage, testing the amount of voltage that is getting into the computer, or that is getting to the connectors, to different connectors and different parts of the connectors within the system unit. So it is used to test connectivity through power, which is a very important component, because you are able to measure the exact voltage and know why a particular component is either not working properly or why it is experiencing some problem. We have the chip extractor. This is for chip removal. All the microchips are removed using the chip extractor, like in the processor. Instead of using something like the screwdriver, where you end up damaging other components when you're moving it or lifting it up, you use a chip extractor. Then we also have wire cutters and wire strippers. In case you want to cut wires, like the network cables, we use the wire cutters. This is the power cables or any kind of wire, we use the wire cutter. Instead, in case you want to clean the computer without using a liquid, we use a blower or compressed air, which is used to blow away dust from the computer. So all these are referred to as the tools that are used to carry out maintenance and support